Greetings player. Welcome here, we'll teach you the most basics of stuff. Yeah,
So what?
well
And
you're
and why me?
because what?
Fuck you.
Anyways. On to the tutorial. Use the arrow keys to move around. Sorry, press now move around for a bit. Once you're done, interact with that glowing. Now for the next part of this being a game and all, some are random fuckbags. Now, how about you try interacting with an NPC for there. Now I'm not too fucking bad.
Ugh. Fine.
Hello.
Fuck off.
Well, that's you know what. Never moving on. Open up that chest in front of ya. You money, you'll be grind. You need this to get items, weapons and armors from the shop. And believe now then. Go
Fucking.
oh. That's right.
What the fuck?
Sorry Rainbow, it's so you
This is get.
now then. To start off this to see those commands. You can choose to fight bastards like him with the fight command. Unless those now go on. Yeah. That's it. Oh shit. Looks like this you should try to graze reduces damage dealt by the enemy. Give it a shot. Great work. Now for the real in your arsenal, you have skills and bombs. Skills are your normal. Well, skills range from combat like damaging, in this case, we'll now hit. Hell yeah. Now, keep in most skills have certain restrictions that prevents you from spamming them. If you see the word CD, if you see the word WU, if you see the word used, that keep these in mind. Oh. That's right. How could I forget? Speaking of skill spamming. Well, don't rely on it. You need to reply here. I'll give you. Now select. Good. Oh shit. Looks here. Select the man. That was close. Now, here's what. See that green bar? That you charge it up using TP. TP can be charged by attacking with Danmaku shoot. Most skills cost TP. And here's the fun part. The more Danmaku power, pretty cool huh? Now that you got the basics done.
Eat shit fuckstick.
Congratulations player. You have completed now. There might be stuff that I forgot to mention, but no now go. We hope you. Oh by the way. None of this shit is canon.